Hello everyone, and welcome to Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with General Romulus. That's me, your old buddy Romulus, with Backpack Trader. Our goal at Backpack Trader is to help you become the best version of the Backpack Trader you can possibly become. And in just a few moments, you've got to stick around and watch this. I've got some video of our main fearless backpacking leader, TJ, down in Buenos Aires, Argentina. And what is he doing? He's trading and he's backpacking, but he's doing it in his own way. Well, no one lives under rocks anymore. So by now, you know that the Federal Reserve did something that they haven't done since 1994. No, not bust out their Pearl Jam concert t-shirts. No, they raised interest rates by 75 basis points instead of the 50 that Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve, promised us just 1 month ago. Why these people have any credibility left is totally beyond me. 11 months ago, he was telling us that this inflation was so transitory that just a few tweaks of the interest rate and monetary policy would definitely take care of all of our problems. And we now know, well, you should have known this a long time ago. Here's something you should look up, everybody. A very long time ago, prior to what's been going on recently. So this wise-looking gentleman, again, this is Alan Greenspan. He was the head of the Federal Reserve, the U.S. Federal Reserve, from 1987 until somewhere around 2006, I believe. And, well, he's famous. He's famous because he instituted a policy, something called the Greenspan put. The Greenspan put, well, that's not quite what it sounds like you think it should be. The Greenspan put is not betting against the stock market, which is what in the options market, you buy a put if you think stocks are going lower. No, the Greenspan put is he was putting a floor underneath the stock market. He was no longer adjusting monetary policy and Federal Reserve policy based on what was best for most Americans. No, he was adjusting policy about what was best to hold up the stock market. That's why it was called the Greenspan put, putting a floor underneath the American stock market, underneath the S&P 500. Famous for that. So he was meddling all kinds of ways with the economy. This is one of the reasons why I absolutely despise the very concept of any of these government regulators getting involved in the markets. I mean, a handful of people in a back room making all these critically important decisions. It's insane. That's not free market policy whatsoever. Free markets is let the free markets do what the free markets do. Anyway, he was messing with the markets. Here's the wildly interesting part about all this, though, and the irony of all ironies. Take a look at this. This article was written and published in 1966 by Alan Greenspan, titled Gold and Economic Freedom. I'm not going to get too much into the details about the article, but in this article, he calls for the abolishment. That's right, the abolishment of the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve was instituted in 1913. It has been an ongoing institution of more and more bothersome policies and meddlesome practices ever since. And in 1966, he got it right. He called for the abolishment of the Federal Reserve. 20 years later, irony of all ironies, he becomes the chairman of that same Federal Reserve. This is why you can't trust these people. They have no credibility. Look what the markets are doing. They're getting absolutely smashed. Another new bear market low in the S&P 500 just in the last couple of trading minutes. Look, if you're not a centurion, you're not a backpack trader, that means you've been losing tons and tons of money this year so far. What are you waiting for? Click on the link right below, right there. You see it right there? That link right there. Join our Discord for free. Click that link. Come on in to the Romulus Legion. Stop losing money in this interesting stock market. Start making money. Start getting trades like this. This was bought by our Romulus Legion back here, right about there. All this area right in here. And now look at it. New multi-month high on that particular trade. How about that? Or you can short this. This was shorted not too long ago at a nice $23 a share right there, that very top day. Here it is at a new multi-week low. Or you could short this with us. Come on, you can do it. You could short this with us. We were shorting this one up here in the 45s. You could short this with us. How about that? We were shorting this one at over 20 bucks a share just a week and a half ago. Come on in. What are you waiting for? Join the Romulus Legion. Click that link right there. Join our Discord for free. Start checking things out. Learn how to stop losing money and start making money. This bear market is not over, everybody. Doesn't mean the market is going to continue to smash new lows for the rest of today, tomorrow, next week, or even next month. But ultimately, we have not seen the ultimate low of this particular bear market over the course of 2022. That means you're going to keep losing money unless you make a change. And to make that change, just click that link right there. So speaking of backpack trading, I promised you something fun. Check this out. You're absolutely going to love it. All right, I mentioned TJ in Argentina. Check him out. Here he is.
This is TJ, your favorite backpack trader. I'm in beautiful Palermo, Soho, Buenos Aires, living the backpack trader lifestyle. I want to encourage...
Wow, look at that, huh? TJ living the backpack trader lifestyle in Buenos Aires, Argentina. He's got a coat on because, hey, it's winter down there, everybody. Now, for those of you who are interested in really taking your trading and investing to the proper level, in other words, digging into this and getting properly educated, here's how I would suggest you begin. Go to our Backpack Trader YouTube site, okay, right up there, Backpack Trader. You're watching this, so you know where it is. Hit the button under the full playlist for Centurions. I've been posting videos here for a little over 2 months. See, they go back. Let's see, the first one back here, Netflix and Lose Money. That one is dated April 20th, so it's about almost 2 months. So go back and watch every single one of these and watch them again and again and again and start to take notes. You'll start to get a feel for how to really make money in these markets. When we talk about trend lines, we talk about advanced decline lines. If any of these things are strange to you, just shoot me an email and we'll be able to take care of that for you. Or better yet, just go ahead and join our Discord right there. You see at the bottom of the videos. Right there, just click on our Discord link that you see at the bottom right there. Join for free, and we'll be able to start communicating and help you get better at this trading and investing. I feel for you. I mean, I know you're getting smoked out there. I know you're losing tons of money. I know it's really important. I know it's money you've been accumulating for maybe decades, okay? I'm not making light of that. I've been doing this for over 27 years, everybody. I started my career at 67 Wall Street in 1994. All right, I've been through these things. I've learned properly from the right masters, took lessons, invested in my education, and it's been a very, very long time since I've had any problems with these markets. Okay, a very long time. I mean, .com crash, no problem. Financial crisis, got it. Rallies off of lows from corrections, bear market lows, bull market tops. It all happens right here. Okay, it all happens right here. Join us. Click the link. Start getting your trading right. Okay, start getting your trading right. Tonight, for example, we have an exclusive Thursday Night Live. That's for Centurions only. We do it every Thursday from 4 p.m. Eastern till 5. We talk about the major indexes, the sectors, the groups, individual stocks. We get a lot of questions answered. It's fantastic. All my Centurions, they join up for that. And I get the greatest comments back from all of them with so much encouragement and wonderful support from them because we're all helping each other make money in these markets. Again, we're really one of the only groups out there, institution or otherwise, that's just bringing in consistent profits. So what the heck are you waiting for? Why do you continue to do the same things that just lead you to lose more and more money? Why do you watch people in YouTube that are buying stocks like this piece of garbage when it's at $25 a share and they just keep buying it all the way down and down? And Jeremy, you know what I'm talking about. That's right. I'm calling you out for just creating billions of dollars of losses for your people. Okay. It's billions of dollars because I know you got a lot of followers out there, but why? I mean, this is insane. This is the very definition of insanity, doing the same thing again and again, expecting a different result. I mean, this stock is on its way to $3 a share by the time this bear market is over. Of course, that's something I've been saying since it was up at $20. So stop doing the insane things. Start getting yourself right. This bear market is not over. Again, doesn't mean the stock market is going to continue, but here we are. Every couple of minutes, it just goes lower and lower. It could turn around today. It could rally today. It could have a decent rally. It could close this gap right here. It could close this gap right here. It's probably not getting above that vaunted purple line that I drew over here on March 18th. That could be a little while, if not months or even years before it gets above that line. but it's going lower over time. How much lower? What does it matter? That's not the right question. That's not the right question. There's speculation. I mean, I've got Fibonacci targets and other retracement targets, pattern targets, but that's just conversation right now. And that's all that is. Get yourself right. Click the link right down there below before it's too late. Because if this is the 1970s, and it feels like it could be, this is not just a few months of a stock market problem for you. This is going to be years. This is going to be years. And the wealth of the world is being transferred away from people that were set in the decreasing interest rate, hope on the federal government to save them type of situation. That's over. The Romulus Legion gets it right. Become a centurion, get your trading right. Okay, I'm heading back to ancient Rome. I've got a lot of work to do for my centurions. We continue to dominate this market, and we want you to dominate right next to us. This is your old buddy Romulus. That's all for now.